What's up, everyone? Zach from Finance Bro here, and today we're going to be talking about how I made over $500 on one trade from our stock options Discord. Let's get into the video. So the first thing that I want to point out here is that you guys are able to join this stock options Discord where I made these plays, and you can actually follow along and make money with us. So if that's something you want to do, all you have to do is go over here to our description, press join our Discord. You'll go ahead and follow this invite, accept it, and get into our Discord. We're closing in on 17,000 members, 717 online right now, and you would be able to go ahead and talk with all these different traders that are doing this every single day. So definitely worth it in my opinion. If you do want our premium trading alerts where you would be able to see this, all you have to do is come to Upgrade Chat, and then get either the premium monthly membership, premium year or premium yearly membership. Just depends on what you want to do. If you want to try it out for a month, you can go ahead and do that, or the other. So that's pretty much how you're able to join and actually see what I'm about to be going over. So just wanted to kind of mention that real quick. But anyways, let's get into what is going on here. So we ended up taking a trade on CVX $150 puts on with an expiration date of the next day, because this trade was made on August 1st at 12:22 p.m. So this was near the end of the trading day. I just didn't want to go into anything until I was pretty sure about something, and I ended up finding this CVX play. But first off, I do want to let you guys know how I trade is I look at the overall market, and then I see trades that are going along with the overall market. So one of the tools that I do use is called FinViz. And what I do is I'll come here and I'll look at the heat map. Usually the heat map's right here, but since it's a Sunday, it's not up right now, or maybe there's just something going on with the website at the moment. Yeah, maybe on Sundays they're just not up. But I'll go ahead and look at the heat map on FinViz, and then I'll say, okay, we're overall red, and then I'll go do an analysis of SPY. So that day, obviously, I saw SPY was just tanking. SPY actually had a pretty good start to the week, which I kind of talked about in one of my videos last week, that I thought we would see a pretty green week. And then all of a sudden on the Thursday, the 1st, I noticed, oh, we're actually, tanking, and we've gone past all of our EMA lines. Our RSI is going way down. And I decided, hey, we are close to a support level that does not look like it's going to hold. So I said, hey, let's get into some puts here around this mark. So I went over and I saw CVX on the heat map. It was down here. Everything was red. I saw, oh, if you look back pretty far, our support line's at 153. When I was making this trade at 12:22, which I'm on Pacific Standard Time, by the way, guys, I was like, hey, we've blown past that support already. Now you might see our RSI was 15. That's normally an indicator that you probably shouldn't get into this play. But the one exception to that rule is if you have broken a pretty good support line, and we did that over here at the 155 or what was it? I think it was about the $153 level. We got all the way down to 152. So we had broken that support, and that was no longer an area that traders were going to try to keep this trend line afloat. So I ended up taking the trade. Also, there was earnings the next day. So there was a pretty high IV on it, but I decided, hey, this technical analysis makes me want to throw everything out the window and just absolutely take a trade on Chevron. And that's what we did. We opened up at about 151, so lower than we closed at. I believe I was up a pretty good amount, but I didn't make any sell alerts until about 20 minutes in. I was up a pretty significant amount. I think it was like 80 to 90% right at 6:30. At 6:47, I saw, hey, we're up 176%. We should probably go ahead and take some profits off the board. So just a little bit in, I decided, hey, we're below $150. I'm going to sell half. So I ended up selling half, and I let the rest of my stop loss, or I put a stop loss at 100% just in case CVX flipped on me. I didn't want to be, losing you know, getting into the red on a position or even losing out on doubling my money on the rest of the plays. So I put a stop loss on 100%. Luckily enough, I waited another 2 hours and it was up to 246%. And I said, hey, that's good enough for me. We're up over 200%. We have tripled our money on this play. Let's go ahead and, you know, take it out. So I sold right around here, and it was a pretty good sell because by the end of the day, I believe it was back to about 130%. So I ended up over 200% on the position as a whole, and sold at 2 different points that allowed me to take some risk off the table and then give me some upside. So that was a pretty textbook play, and you would have been able to do this if you were in our Discord. Like I said, all you have to do is come here to this button, join it up, and then if you want to see the alerts, all you have to do is go ahead and get upgraded to our monthly or yearly membership. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that made sense, and if you guys want some more breakdowns like these, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.